This video shows how to transform your asphalt or cement driveway into a textured, resin-bonded gravel coating that provides years of maintenance-free service. First, you'll need to make sure that the existing surface and subbase is in good condition. Any depressions or rutting should be repaired beforehand by a paving contractor. Resin-bonded surfacing can go over minor alligator cracking. In this case, the homeowner wanted to add a top coat of new asphalt. We covered the cracks with Petra-Tack tape to help ensure the existing cracks don't reflect into the top coat. Next, a paving contractor applied a tack coat primer to the driveway and resurfaced with new asphalt. Allow this new asphalt to dry and oxidize for about a month. On the day of the resin-bonded surfacing installation, use duct tape to mask curbing and other areas that you want to protect from the resin. Then begin to mix the base, part A, before slowly adding part B. Continue mixing from top to bottom for about 2 minutes to ensure both resin components are fully combined. Plan your work by marking out the first 120 square feet with a piece of chalk. This is the approximate area that 1 bucket of resin can be spread with a serrated squeegee. Once the resin self-levels, aggregate is broadcast onto the wet surface, taking care to maintain a clean, wet edge. Once completed, you allow the surface to cure for a couple of hours and then brush off the excess aggregate. The result is a durable, textured surface with no loose stones. Your resin-bonded coating will help seal and protect your asphalt and provide years of trouble-free service. Check out our website for more information, and thanks.